Hey y'all, so I am here with the Plump and Hydrate Lip Kit from Sephora, and I wanted to show you what I got in it. It's $30. I generally like to buy these type of things because I get introduced to some brands I may not know. I get a couple of full sizes that usually equal the price of the package or the the product. And yeah, so it was $30 and it came with two full-size products. The first one is from NARS. I'm gonna read this because the print on this is so little. And let's wipe my mouth. So the first product is from NARS. This is a full size. This is the Afterglow Lip Balm and Dolce Vita. I do really like these from NARS, these lip balms. They're very hydrating. They're not oily, they just feel nice, and this color is probably my favorite one. I will show you that I have two others. I have one full size that I think I got in one of these sets, and then I have a mini, and I think one of them is NARS Orgasm and the other one is their bronzer. I forget what it's called, but I do have two products from NARS already, and so when I saw that there was a full size of this in it, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it because these retail for $28 alone. $28, and for $30 I got all this other stuff. So I'm not gonna put these other things on my lips because except for this one, because for the most part they are translucent. So the next thing that came in this is the Sugar Advanced Therapy Fresh. So I have gotten their products before, like they used to do them for their birthdays, and like for 2 years in a row I had their little birthday gifts, and I absolutely love these Fresh, what is that, the brand? I believe it's the brand. The Sugar Advanced Therapy by Fresh. So this one, it's a decent size. Again, I love these. These are very soft, very emollient. They are a little too soft, so you have to be really careful when you're putting them on your lips or you will break it off. But really nice metal packaging. Just, you know, something that you can throw by your bedside, something you can throw in your purse. Just really good products. So I got that in there, and it is a mini, but it's a decent size. So this is 2.2 grams. Or 0.05 ounces. The next thing, and I've never tried anything from Lawless, it's the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping. Let's see, what do they call it? Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumper Line Smoothing Gloss and Velvet. It's a rosy mauve, and I'll just swatch it on my hand here. Just a light pink color. It does feel a little bit stickier, but again, it is a lip plumper. And let me swatch that. I'm not going to swatch the Fresh because of course it's clear, but I'll swatch the Dolce Vita so you can see what it looks like on my hand, on my skin tone. So there is the Dolce Vita, and there is that NARS, or not NARS, the Lawless Beauty Forget the Filler. Another thing that came in it is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. So this is supposed to be even more extreme than the regular lip injection. I do enjoy the Too Faced lip injections, so glad to give the Extreme a try. This is 1.5 mils. Another, again, it's 0.05 ounces. Too Faced lip injection, and this is a deluxe mini. And then the last thing that came in it is another full-size product, and this is from Rose Inc. It's the Lip Sculpt Amplifying Lipstick. It's a full size, it's 0.1 ounce, and I will just show you what it looks like. It's just a beautiful mauve color. I have worn this several times, and it's very, let me swatch for it. So it's very emollient. It glides on like a really nice lip balm, but it kind of stains. So it does have a little bit of lasting power. The other day when I wore this, I kind of overlined my lips a little bit, and my lips just look really, see? Just a little overlining, and my lips look so plump. I really liked this color. So for $30, I got two full-size products. And then I got 3 deluxe minis. Is that right? The sugar is a deluxe mini, the Lawless is a deluxe mini, and the Too Faced is a deluxe mini. So yeah, so those are the products that came in my Sephora Plump and Hydrate. It says it's a retail value of $87. So for $30, I was able to get all these. Just this alone is $28 because when I fell in love with the first one, I was like, how much did these cost? Like, how much if I wanted to buy it on its own, would it cost? And it was $28. So getting this alone pretty much pays for the whole kit. So you know, whatever, if you guys, oh, and it came in this cute little coral peach makeup bag. So it's a really nice makeup bag. I don't know. I just thought, you know what? Let me show what I purchased, because I actually purchased some makeup. I purchased some makeup. I thought I would show you. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. It's their lip treatment. I have... Okay, my air fryer just went off. Okay,